It's been 1 year since Samsung released their iPad killer, the Tab S7 series Android tablets. We've owned this Tab S7 Plus since November of last year and wanted to do a long-term use review and give our thoughts on the good and bad about this device. This is the non-cellular silver model with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. We mainly use this Tab S7 to write notes or do some schoolwork and some light computing, stream Netflix, HBO Max, all that good stuff. The Tab S7 Plus, it excels at most things for our use case, so let's get into the top features that we love about it and the features that grind our gears. First, Dex Mode is a game changer. Samsung really is onto something with this software that turns the tablet UI into a more desktop-like experience. It's not exclusive to these tablets. Most Samsung devices for the last 3 years or so have had it built in, but it certainly makes a difference for this large tablet, which I need to mention is 12.4 inches across. So it's a pretty ginormous tablet. About 90% of the time we use this tablet in Dex mode, and that's because the window control is awesome. So you can open up an application and easily resize it, you know, make it bigger, larger, smaller. You can even snap windows open to each side and, you know, easily have your window management. So it's pretty cool. And Dex mode kind of takes away the terrible Android tablet experience where you get applications that just look like blown up phone apps. So Dex mode, good job Samsung. And speaking of multitasking, the RAM management on this tablet is pretty dang on good. I don't think we ever really like close apps in the background. It's not even a thought. You just like open up a ton of apps, you close the window, and it's still technically open in the background, but it's not slowing anything down. The next thing we want to talk about is the camera. So Samsung put the camera on this long side here, so you can hold the tablet in portrait mode, and it's very ergonomic holding it like this versus having, you know, holding it on the side. Like I said, it's 12.4 inches, so it's kind of large and a little bit uncomfortable to hold it with your hands on the side right here versus holding it like this. So another thing about the camera system is you can have zoom open and have other applications that use the camera as well, and it won't close out zoom. I know on iPad OS, I don't know if it's changed anytime recently, but you couldn't have those applications open at the same time. But Samsung, it handles that no problem. Next, let's talk about the S Pen. It's comfortable, lightweight, but it does feel a little bit cheap. The perk is that it comes with the tablet at no extra cost, and I can't remember at the moment, but I think it comes with these little ends. They're called nibs. It comes with 1 or 2 replacements, and you kind of go through them a little bit faster because, I don't know, this plastic material. It's like if you're writing a lot, like, you'll notice that it leaves residue on the screen. But I mean, this S Pen works really well. And it's pretty fast. It has a latency of 9 milliseconds, which is pretty awesome. And I don't notice any lag or latency with it. A little bit more about the S Pen. I don't know if you could see that right here. This is a little button. You can program that to take like screenshots or pictures or many different functions. Don't really use this button, just use this stylus to write with. But let me show you where you could store it at. So right here there are some magnets on top. They're kind of strong, but I don't know, I've noticed that if you pick up the tablet a little fast. Sometimes it'll knock this off really easily. But if you buy the official bookcase or keyboard cover, it comes with this snapping case that will protect the S Pen from falling off. The tablet doesn't come with any accessories out of the box. You have to purchase a book cover. This is the official, hold on, let's pull that off. This is the official Samsung keyboard cover. It's got a little cover for the stylus and a little cutout for the camera. I'm gonna put this right here because this was in focus. Oops, we activated Google and we didn't want to do that. This is the bottom portion of the keyboard cover. This keyboard, gotta say that the value kind of sucks. We paid 229 bucks for this. It's not backlit. It's kind of easy to type on, but it has some software issues that we've noticed. And let's take a look at the back of the tablet actually, so you can get a look of what it looks like without the cover on. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Let's set that down. There we go. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at the actual, the back of the tablet without the cover on. So you've got the cellular bands. This is the non-cellular, but I'm guessing this is where the antennas would go if we had the cellular model. You've got this AKG logo. So this tablet has quad speakers on the side. They get pretty loud. So you can see right here, there, and right here, as well as a USB-C port. This is the only port on the tablet. It doesn't come with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you have to use an adapter or you need to use Bluetooth headphones. So some people might find that to be a drawback. I don't really care. Most headphones are Bluetooth today anyway, so there's that. The last downside I want to talk about, well, the main downside I want to talk about this tablet is the camera quality. So while the camera is located in a really good spot, it's very grainy. So I'm trying to go to the camera app right now. So as you can see, that is the camera that's recording this. It's not very, it's not as nice as the iPad camera, that's for sure. And I don't use the camera at all for anything besides like taking a picture of a PDF or like a piece of paper and scanning it to a PDF. That's pretty much all it's good for. Don't record anything with the back camera either because it's not good. So out of 10, I would say that this tablet is a solid 7.5 in terms of design, style, and feature set. The main things holding it back from being absolutely perfect are issues with the Android ecosystem, which is mainly, you know, app support. You know, Android doesn't get as many good developers as iOS and Apple, so that's kind of that kind of sucks. But maybe we'll see something different because Samsung really hit it out of the park with this. And despite those issues like the camera and the app support, this is a really good value and probably the best premium Android tablet that is in existence right now. And with the new S8 series coming out probably early next year, I would still say that the Tab S7 series is the best bang for your buck. And with Samsung Dex, it makes this tablet very close to a laptop alternative if you're going to do some light computing, like writing emails, you want to watch some videos, write some notes. It's just very lightweight and easy to use. Let's take a look at the battery real quick. I didn't mention that earlier, but the battery life on this is excellent. You can go I think close to like 2.5 days on the battery. So as you can see right now, we've got 18% left, and it's saying we have 9 hours of use left. It says a full charge will last about 2 days and 2 hours. So that's pretty awesome. There's been plenty of times we, don't even turn off the tablet and store it in a drawer. So this is the tablet with the case on. As you can see, let's open this up. It's kind of okay. It's kind of flimsy. I wish that Android had more support like iOS. It would have been nice to get like a bridge style case for it, and with a keyboard that's actually backlit. I mean, $229 for an accessory that they're saying, oh, you can use this to replace your computer. I mean, it's kind of lame. I'm sure it costs less now, but it's not a good value. I'm sure you can find something on Amazon for cheaper. But the tablet itself, like if you're just gonna buy the tablet itself, because it comes with the stylus, it has great battery life, great speakers, all that good stuff. Just go ahead and buy it. 7.5 out of 10. Goodbye. You're watching 31 and Counting. I'm Keelan, and we're out.